Sir, I understand you avoided a very serious problem today. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, my wife is having 20 people over for dinner and the air conditioning goes out.
And how did you handle this emergency?
Called HVAC Experts.
Yes, this seems to be a phenomenon throughout the area.
My dog ran away. Called HVAC Experts.
I lost my car keys. Called HVAC Experts.
I had a backache. Called HVAC Experts.
Yes, definitely a phenomenon. But I must tell you, most people call HVAC experts to fix their AC.